Good day, boys and girls. Welcome back to the Year 3 English class. Today, we are going to do a revision exercise for Module 9 in your workbook at page 74. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we start the exercise, I want to revise you some simple past tense. This is swim, and the simple past tense for swim is swam. The second word is find. The simple past tense for find is found. He found some colorful eggs in the bushes. The third word is eat. The simple past tense for eat is ate. He ate a burger this morning. The next word is look. Can you guess what's the simple past tense for look? Correct is look with ed at the back. Can you make a sentence based on this picture? The boy and the dog look up to the sky. Exercise 1. Look and write. Now, you're going to fill in the simple past tense into the sentence below based on the picture. Let's start with number 1. This is Katie, and there was a shell here. Katie, what? A shell on the beach last Saturday. The answer is found. Katie found a shell on the beach last Saturday. Question 2. Steve and Selena at the fridge yesterday. Look at picture 2. This is Steve and this is Selena. They looked at the fridge yesterday. Question 3. Angie and Peter in the sea. Look at this picture. What did they do? They swam in the sea. Question 4. Anne, her mom's chocolate cake. Look at picture 4. What did she do? She ate her mom's chocolate cake. Do you get all the answers correct? Well done. Now I'm going to introduce you about the negative form of auxiliary verb in the past. One of the examples of the auxiliary verb is do. The past tense of do become did, and the negative form of did become didn't. And the verb behind didn't cannot be past tense. We cannot use past tense behind the auxiliary verb. For example, they didn't play football is wrong. This sentence is not correct because play is past tense. We cannot use past tense behind the auxiliary verb. The correct sentence should be they didn't play football. Let's look at the example. Did they cook? This is a past tense, so it means that you have to answer the questions by using past tense. However, we have to look at the picture. What were they doing? They were playing video games. How do we answer this question? They didn't cook, they play video games. Please pay attention to the verb behind didn't. We cannot use past tense. Cook is the base word. Didn't cook. Let's look at another example. Did they study? Obviously no. How do we answer? They didn't study. They watched TV. Similarly, behind didn't, we have to use the base width, which means that we cannot use studied. Example 3. Did they clean the house? The answer is they didn't clean, they danced. Same here, clean should be the base word behind the auxiliary verb. Didn't clean. After looking at the examples, now it's time for us to continue with activity 2, look and write. In this activity, we are going to answer the question in the past tense. However, please note that we cannot use past tense behind the auxiliary verb. Let's look at question 1. The past tense for make is made. It becomes M-A-D-E in past tense. What did they do? They didn't make omelets. Please pay attention to this word make. We use the base words behind the auxiliary verb and didn't change it to become made. They didn't make omelets. They made sandwiches. But here we answer the question by using past tense. They made sandwiches. Question 2. The past tense for see is saw. Please look at this picture. What did she see? Is that a snake or a shark? Correct, is a shark. So how can we answer this question? She didn't see a snake. She saw a shark. Please pay attention again to the word behind the auxiliary verb should be the base word, and we have to use past tense in this sentence. See becomes saw. She saw a shark. Question 3. Please look at this picture. What did he do? He takes photo. However, we have to answer this question by using past tense. So the past tense for take is took. Did he buy postcards? No, he didn't buy postcards. He took photos. Please remember that at here we have to write the past tense. He took photos instead of take. Did you get all the answers correct? Congratulations! That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!